Hello, my lovely friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Anna. Happy New Year to all of you. This is my first video in 2020. I was making these little flowers and I thought I will actually share a tutorial with you how to make these simple paper flowers. I'm using adyEdies die cuts, flower 004, and I'm using the smallest die. And I'm just using the ordinary cardstock from range. What I'm buying in bulks of 50 sheets, size A4. I will be using just a makeup sponge to apply the ink on it, just a pick tool and some Stamens and a bit of a glue and spritz of water. Very simple tutorial. I hope you will enjoy it and stay tuned. So firstly, I'm applying ink, and I like to use the makeup sponges because they blend beautifully. You can't actually see any marks leaving, like any circles or any, like, you know, when you're working with a square sponge, those kind of like unwanted corners and stuff. So I recommend makeup sponges. So now I'm spritzing a bit of the water on my flower die. Then I'm waiting a few seconds, and the time when I know my flower is ready to actually shape, when it's starting curling up. So as you can see, it's lifted up, so now I can shape the petals, and for that I'm using just a small size of a brush. You can use anything else what you have on hand. It's nothing too fancy. Whatever you have on your stash, just grab it and you can use it. Now I'm pushing a little bit on center just to lift my petals upwards. And now I will need a stamens. And to pull my stamens through, I've got this tiny wire. It's a floral wire. So I've got just one stamens. Just push it through like so. Nothing complicated. Very simple, very quick and easy. Anyone can do it. Now I'm just applying a tiny dot of a glue. I like to use this Glossy accent because when it's dry it's clear. And you can use any other glue what you have on hand. The choice is yours. Even hot glue, but just be very careful not to just and make a big blob, because it's not going to look nice. And now I'm just squashing the petals a little bit up, and here we go, it's ready. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if so, please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more tutorials to come. Thank you so much everyone, and Happy New Year once again. Bye for now.